Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Zen Warzone. First, connect your Zen device to your personal computer using the provided micro USB cable. Next, download and install the latest Zen Studio software from the official website. It's crucial to update your Zen's firmware immediately to ensure compatibility with current game versions. Finally, register your device and create a personalized profile within the Zen Studio application. These initial steps are fundamental for a smooth setup process. Once your Zen is set up, navigate to the game pack library within Zen Studio. Select a Warzone game pack and simply drag and drop it onto one of the device's 8 memory slots. Alternatively, you can import custom scripts created by the community or even develop your own. Remember to configure the game pack settings, such as anti-recoil and aim assist, to perfectly match your playstyle. This customization is key to unlocking your full potential. For in-game optimization, connect your preferred controller to the Zen device, then connect the Zen to your console or personal computer. It's vital to adjust your in-game controller settings to align with the Zen's recommended values for optimal performance. You can fine-tune game pack modifications in real time using the Zen's clear OLED screen and intuitive buttons. Experiment with different sensitivity and dead zone settings to achieve improved accuracy and a superior gaming experience. To truly master your Zen, explore its advanced features like button remapping and macro creation for complex actions. Always remember to regularly check for new game pack updates and firmware revisions to stay ahead. If you encounter any issues, the extensive online community forums are an excellent resource for troubleshooting. Finally, ensure all your cables are securely connected to prevent any unexpected disconnections during intense gameplay sessions. Happy gaming!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.